Hello, I'm Rick from the Homesteaders store, and today we get the privilege of looking at the LS MT1 series. Now, the subcompact, this would be a subcompact tractor, 4 foot wide, is one of the hottest selling units because of its versatility and can be used in so many different applications. It is just an awesome product. So let's look at the features and what sets this MT1 series apart. One of the best features of this MT1 series is the LL 1700 loader. This will lift nearly 1,000 pounds. It is not typical for a subcompact tractor. Normally they're in the 600 pound range. But notice this doesn't have a single cylinder in the center. It's got 2 tilt cylinders for the bucket for better bucket control. It has a skid steer attach plate so you can put many things on it. It's got a 4 foot wide, very nicely designed bucket so you can do a lot of work with it. Just a great addition to the MT1 series. One of the best things of this small tractor is the big operator's platform. Just excellent. I'm a bigger guy, 6'1", just excellent, spacious room here. Things laid out very ergonomically from the 2-speed hydrostat here to the 3-point and the 2- and 4-wheel drive. But one of the best features of the MT1 series is the side-by-side hydrostatic pedal. So I can just operate that for hours in this way. The overall console is excellent with the power takeoff right here, the fuel here, just excellent. All those things make this able to be operated for hours at a time. One of the disadvantages of a subcompact tractor is normally that the 3-point arms are very short, so you have very low lift capacities. These are much longer arms, category 1, true category 1, so you don't have to go to anything special for the attachments. You have 540 PTO, everything laid out extremely well here in the back where a lot of the work is done on this tractor. The MT1 series comes in a 21.5 horse, that's the MT122, and a 125, which is a 25 horsepower unit. So it has 2 different models. Now, this is just an excellent unit to be used on estates. It also can have a mower deck. It's got a forward PTO shaft. It can have a snowblower out the front. Just many options that are available for this wonderful unit from LS Tractor. I'm Rick from the Homesteaders store. Thanks for watching.